Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to wipe storage on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin. First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, not like that, but like that. Then you want to go into transmitter settings, and let's scroll almost all the way to the right until we'll see storage. Let's enter storage, and now we should see every single storage for every single transmitters that we have connected. As you can see, I only have one transmitter, and this one has over 50 hours left to record. However, if you want to wipe this storage, you can simply click the transmitter. And as you can see, now we only have to swipe to format this transmitter, so let's do that. And as you can see, the formatting is complete. And because I haven't really recorded anything, the hour is still the same. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.